The noise of a change in the chief minister in the Karnataka Congress government is getting louder again. For the last 3 or 4 days, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar has been staying in Delhi. On Wednesday, D.K. Suresh also rushed to New Delhi. Now, Mallikarjun Kharge and Venugopal have met overnight and held important talks. Following this, Rahul Gandhi also met them, which has aroused great curiosity. AICC chief Sonia Gandhi met Rahul Gandhi at her residence at Janpath in Delhi and held important talks. It is said that many leaders, including Sonia Gandhi, were present at this time. This meeting has created a huge stir in state politics. An important discussion took place for about 20 minutes. It is reported that the main discussion in this meeting was about the power sharing formula that has been pending for many days. It is said that D.K. Shivakumar has revealed his intentions to the High Command leaders. On one hand, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is preparing to present the budget. On the other hand, D.K. Shivakumar has started a power game in Delhi. There is a possibility that the fight for the throne will come to a full stop in March. Moreover, top Congress sources have said that Sonia Gandhi is in favor of D.K. Shivakumar. However, since Rahul Gandhi is taking important responsibilities and decisions, he needs to be convinced regarding the leadership change. Now that he has the opportunity to make that effort, it remains to be seen to what extent D.K. Shivakumar is successful in it. D.K. Shivakumar's reaction after meeting with high command leaders: you should talk about everything after coming to Delhi. You have talked about everything, but you cannot openly say what you talked about to whom. It is not right to talk about the discussions that took place inside. There is no need to stand here on the street and talk about everything. You have talked about everything after coming. I have come here to do politics. Only time will answer everything. I have come to Delhi to do politics. Will I just go back without discussing all the issues? This is what Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar asked the media representatives. Amid the power-sharing tussle in the Karnataka Congress, he held talks with the high command leaders for more than half an hour at the residence of Congress Chief Sonia Gandhi in Delhi's Janpath. DK's who came out and spoke later said that he had spoken to the High Command regarding the Assam elections. Some leaders from Assam were also with DKS. In general, D.K. Shivakumar has maintained a sense of mystery in his actions and words, and his words were quite meaningful. Now, the real question is, what was the response of Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi to D.K. Shivakumar's proposal? Has a message been sent to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah? Or has he been advised to maintain the status quo for now? The current curiosity is this: D.K. Shivakumar's statement that has come to do politics has started a new movement in state politics.